Hey guys, so I found something pretty damn funny. At least it was to me. So say you're recording right now and my voice sounds normal right now, but if you wanted to change it, which I'm about to show you guys. So you want to go to the edit button right here where it has the little three lines. Then it'll go to your video, click on audio, and then where it says pitch. Are you ready, guys? Change it to, say, right here, and then click it to where now this clip is going to be shown in that, which I'm going to turn it up for you guys just so you can hear it.
Hey guys, so I found something pretty damn funny. At least it was to me. So say you're recording right now and, my voice sounds normal right now.
Now I'm going to stop it right there, and I want to show you guys what it sounds like in a different tone.
But if you wanted to change it, which I'm about to show you guys, it's hilarious. Alright, so in this next scene, you're going to see how my voice does change.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video, just me showing you how to do the pitch change on Filmora 9. Well anyways guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys found it entertaining or helpful if you're trying to do something like that. Anyways you guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks guys.